Morning, my dear students. Hope you people are very fit and fine. Now, through this video, I am going to explain your question number 6 and 7 of exercise 4A. Okay. So, I will tell you only one or two. After that, you have to solve this exercise by yourself. So, question number 6 is arrange in columns and add. Okay. In the previous question they had given the numbers already in the columns. Okay, but here we have to arrange these numbers in columns and then we have to add. Okay, so arrange the numbers in their respective columns. So here you can see this, it is a 5-digit number. So now write 7 1 2 4 and 3, 34,217. Okay, now 5,681. Write the digits from the right to left. Okay, so 1 8 6 and 5. Now put the sign of addition and then add these numbers. Okay, now always add from the ones place. So the digits at the ones place are 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And 3, there is no digit, so we will copy the same number. Okay. So this is your answer. Now I am going to explain. See, okay. Now here they have given us the numbers in the word form, but we have to write the digits and then we will add these numbers. So here you can see 2,310. So I told you write the digits from right to the left. So here 2,310. So 10, then 300 and 2,000. So you can see 2,310. Now 24,402. Okay, here you can see 24,000 means 10,000. So we will write 24,402. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. Then 245. So 245. Now put the sign of addition and then add the numbers. Okay, so here 0 plus 2 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 3 plus 4 7 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and then 2, there is no digit, it means we will copy the same number. So the answer will be 957. Okay students, now you have to solve number D by yourself. Now I am going to explain question number 7, okay, of this exercise. So question number 7 is add 8, 12, 230 and 1475 in 3 different orders to get the same sum. Students, if you remember yesterday I had I told you that the sum of numbers in any order is the same. Okay, So in this question, what we have to do? We have to do addition in 3 different orders. Okay, so first number is 8, then 12. I told you write the digits right to the left. Okay, 12, and the next number is 230. 0, 3 and 2. Next is 1475. So 5, 7, 4 and 1. Now put the sign of addition and add the numbers. Okay. Now 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 0 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, and you know 15 has 2 digits. Okay, 1 10 and 5 ones. So we will write 5 ones in the ones place and 1 carry over to the tens place. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, and 12 has also 2 digits, 1 10 and 2 1. So we will write here 2 and 1 carry over to the next place. So here 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, now 1, here there is no other digit, so we will copy the same number. So the answer is 1725. Students, this is the first order. Okay, and now what you have to do? You have to add these numbers in the other orders. Okay, so for this what you have to do? You will change the orders of these numbers. Like the first number is 8, but we will not write it first. We will write the first number, that is 12. Okay, then we will write the third number. Okay, that is 230, and then we will write the last number, that is 1475. Now we will write the first number, okay, in the last column. Now put the sign of addition and add these numbers. Okay, now you have to solve this by yourself, and next order you have to solve by yourself. Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.